You think you know your car. You start it, shift gears, maybe top off the oil once in a while. But under that dashboard and behind those buttons, your car is hiding secrets, features, settings, and clever hacks that even seasoned drivers miss. These aren't gimmicks. They're game changers for your comfort, your wallet, even your safety. And here's the twist. 95% of drivers are doing one thing totally wrong, and they have no idea. You'll find out what that is. And when we get to secret number one, let's just say it flips everything you thought you knew behind the wheel. Secret number 15, the gas pump arrow. Ever pull up to a gas station and forget which side your fuel tank is on? Look at the little gas icon on your dashboard. It usually has a tiny arrow next to it. That arrow points to the side of the car where your fuel cap is located. It's a small feature, but once you know it's there, you'll never pull up to the wrong pump again. Secret number 14, the hidden key inside your key fob. Many modern cars use keyless entry and push button start, but what happens if your fob battery dies? Most people don't realize there's a hidden metal key inside the fob. Usually, there's a small release button. Press it, and you'll slide out a traditional key you can use to manually unlock your driver's door. It's a simple backup that can save you from being stranded. Secret number 13, the manual trunk release locked out of your trunk with the battery dead? Check your rear seats. Many vehicles have a manual trunk release latch accessible by folding down the back seats. This feature allows you to crawl in and unlock the trunk from the inside, a lifesaver when you're locked out or your battery's flat. Secret number 12, the fuel cap holder. Don't let your gas cap dangle and scratch your paint. Most fuel doors have a small hook or notch designed to hold the cap while you pump gas. It's a simple solution to a problem that can cause unnecessary wear to your vehicle's exterior. Secret number 11, the driver's side wiper arm trick. When lifting your windshield wipers, especially in winter to prevent them from freezing, you may find the driver's side wiper hits the hood. The trick? Turn the ignition off mid-wiper cycle or use the service position in your vehicle's settings if available. This moves the wipers up the windshield, giving you clearance to lift them safely. Secret number 10, sun visor extensions. Blinded by the sun hitting just the wrong angle? Some sun visors slide out or include hidden panels to extend their coverage. It's an often overlooked feature that can dramatically improve visibility and reduce eye strain on bright days. Secret number 9, the cabin air filter. Your engine has an air filter, but so does your cabin. The cabin air filter cleans the air entering your car's interior. A clogged filter can reduce airflow and make your HVAC system work harder. Check and replace it regularly. It's usually easy to access behind the glove compartment. Secret number 8, hidden storage compartments. Many cars have hidden storage spots, under seats, beneath floor mats, or behind panels. These compartments are perfect for storing emergency tools, documents, or valuables you don't want in plain sight. A quick skim through your owner's manual can reveal all the secret cubbies your vehicle offers. Secret number 7, the rest climate feature. Some vehicles have a rest or residual heat function. After turning off the engine, pressing this button circulates leftover engine heat through the cabin, keeping you warm while parked. It's especially handy on cold days when waiting in your car. Secret number 6, the hidden rear window defroster lines. Those horizontal lines across your rear windshield, they're not just for looks. They're actually heating elements that quickly clear frost and fog. Be careful not to scratch or damage them when cleaning the glass, as they can be costly to repair. Secret number 5, the seatbelt slot trick. Tired of your seatbelt slipping down when not in use? Look closer at the plastic slot where the belt retracts. It's designed to hold the metal buckle in place. Just slide the buckle into the slot and it'll stay upright and accessible. Secret number 4, the mystery behind the gas cap click. You've probably seen people at the pump twisting their gas caps until it clicks. Maybe you do it yourself without knowing why. That click isn't just for fun, it serves a real purpose. Modern vehicles have highly sensitive fuel systems designed to detect even the tiniest vapor leak. Not tightening your gas cap properly can actually trigger your check engine light and cause unnecessary stress. In fact, one of the most common and avoidable reasons for that dreaded warning light is simply a loose or faulty gas cap. By listening for that audible click, you're ensuring a tight seal, which helps your car maintain proper pressure in the fuel tank and keeps harmful emissions from escaping. It's a small action that prevents a domino effect of problems, from reduced fuel efficiency to failed emissions tests. Secret number 3, the hidden power of auto-up windows. While almost everyone knows about power windows, far fewer realize their car might be equipped with auto-up and auto-down features on more than just the driver's side. Pressing the window switch firmly or for a longer moment can sometimes trigger full automatic rolling, saving you from holding the switch all the way up or down. It's more than just convenience. It can be a game changer when you're trying to quickly close windows during unexpected rain or when parking in a sketchy neighborhood. In some cars, you can even program the window behavior, like having them automatically roll up when you lock the car, depending on the model and features enabled in your settings. It's a perfect blend of security, comfort, and tech, just waiting to be explored. Don't overlook your window switches. They might be more intelligent than you think. Secret number 1, the emergency brake hold function. Secret number 1 that many drivers overlook, the emergency brake hold feature. On many modern cars, especially those with electronic parking brakes, there's a feature that can automatically hold your brakes when you're stopped at a light or in traffic without keeping your foot on the pedal. Just press the brake hold button, often found near the gear shifter, and the system takes over once you come to a complete stop. This feature is a total game changer for city drivers, those with long commutes, or anyone tired of the stop-and-go grind. It not only reduces fatigue but also prevents unnecessary wear on your transmission and brake components from constantly shifting between drive and park. Better yet, it can act as a backup safety measure, like preventing your car from rolling on a hill if you're distracted for a second. Once you try brake hold, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Conclusion. Cars today are smarter than ever, but only if you know how to use their features. By discovering these hidden secrets, you'll drive more confidently, stay safer, and maybe even impress a few passengers along the way. The more you understand your vehicle, the better it'll serve you on the road.